Let's now connect a push button. Since the buzzer, push button and LDR are common components in many kits, we have put all these in a convenient PCB. On this PCB, the connection to the push button is a 2-pin relimate connector. Take a 2-pin RMC wire. Plug one side of the wire to the connector on the board, which is marked as PB. Plug the other side of the wire to the connector marked as push button on the PCB. If you prefer to use a breadboard or directly use a Node MCU, then the connections are: one pin of the push button must go to RX pin of Node MCU. The other pin of the push button must go to ground pin of the push button. That's it. Let's move on to the next step.